Okay, so last month in December we paid this amount, right above $1,000, for heating only. We live in an old house from 1920 something. The insulation is really bad and we need a lot of electricity to heat it. Since the insulation is so bad in our house, we decided not to make the same mistake with the guest house. So, let me show you. So this is all the insulation I ordered. It's a lot, but it should cover the whole guest house. Okay, so this is the current state of the guest house. We got all the floor joists in place, and we got these little boards in place in most of these compartments. So we got enough insulation to cover the floor with 15 centimeters. We got enough to cover the walls with 10 centimeters. We're doing one of those slanted ceiling things. We're gonna put 10 centimeters in the ceiling as well. I know that's not a lot. I think the standard is around 40 centimeters. But it's a guest house. It's probably mostly gonna be used during summertime when it's not freezing outside. So I think it's gonna be fine. I actually checked how much we have in the main house, and that is also 10 centimeters. And that probably explains why we spend so much money on heating. So the reason I went with this kind of insulation, and this is wood fiber insulation instead of glass fiber or rock wool. Is that made of stones? Seems weird. So this is wood fiber insulation. It doesn't irritate your lungs. It doesn't itch on your fingers when you handle it. It's just nice all over. So it's a kind of a sustainable insulation material which should have the same insulation. You know what I mean. It should be the same as regular insulation. So I first heard about this kind of insulation from a guy from Australia. You know, this place. No, I'm just kidding, of course. I mean, this place. He's currently living in Finland with his family, and he's also doing a lot of home improvements and renovations. I'm gonna put his link somewhere so you can go check him out. Hey, that's nice. Okay, so hopefully it's just gonna be a matter of yeah, almost like that. I need to adjust the width a little bit. I like it. I mean, it's a bit dense. It's denser than I thought, but I mean the way it handles, it's. I don't feel a thing. I mean, it's. I could probably rub this on my face. Yeah, it's nice. It doesn't taste very good. No. I wouldn't recommend eating it, but as insulation goes, you should try it out. It's really nice to work with. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this floor with first this one and then a 10 centimeter on top. I'm gonna put the boards on. So the next video is probably gonna be me putting in some floor, maybe, or the walls. We'll see. So go ahead and check out this thing next, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing right over there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.